Welcome to Owell's The Rhyme Bible Storybook Read Aloud series. Today's story is adapted from the book of Genesis, chapter 37, Joseph's Dreams. Jacob had a lot of sons, but Joseph was his favorite one. "Look," he said, "here's something new. I've made a special coat for you." This made Joseph very glad, but it made his brothers mad. Joseph had a dream one night. He dreamed the sun was shining bright, and he was gathering some wheat for his family to eat. All of a sudden, his sheaf of wheat stood straight and tall in the summer heat. His brother's wheat came all around and started bowing to the ground. Then Joseph dreamed another dream. He wondered what the dream could mean. He saw the sun and moon at night. He saw 11 stars so bright. They came and made a ring of light and bowed before him in the night. Joseph's brothers hated his dreams, so all of them began to scheme. They grabbed him in the field one day and took his precious coat away. And they sold him to some men. They thought they'd never see him again. Down to Egypt went the men, and Joseph had to go with them. They sold him to the Pharaoh's guard to be a slave and work so hard. The end. Thank you for watching. This is Joseph's Dreams from the Rhyme Bible Storybook.